AI in Sales and Marketing, a guide to boosting conversions, AnyBiz. AI is the new electricity. Andrew Ng. AI is transforming sales and marketing, increasing leads by over 50% and becoming vital to 61% of marketers' data strategies. This guide shows how AI drives conversions and offers practical steps to apply it. AI in marketing and sales uses data and machine learning to automate and personalize consumer experiences. Tools like chatbots, predictive analytics, and sentiment analysis enhance interactions, optimize campaigns, and boost conversions. It saves time, improves targeting, and boosts conversions, leading to increased efficiency and revenue growth. AI in sales and marketing boosts efficiency by automating tasks and providing 24/7 support while enhancing targeting and data-driven decision-making. However, it poses challenges like high costs, potential job displacement, and privacy concerns due to increased data collection. It automates lead scoring for consistent evaluations and real-time updates, helping sales teams prioritize effectively. AI also predicts future behavior, enabling proactive targeting and tailored campaigns to boost ROI. AI enhances the sales funnel by identifying potential customers with targeted ads in the awareness stage. Chatbots provide 24/7 support and gather lead info during consideration. Predictive analytics suggest pricing and automate follow-ups in the decision stage. For retention, AI analyzes sentiment and personalizes loyalty programs. AnyBiz.io is an AI platform that automates B2B lead generation and sales, creating personalized outreach 24/7. It optimizes engagement through data analysis, automated email responses, and targeted outreach. With a simple setup, AnyBiz boosts efficiency and ROI, offering a scalable sales solution. Implementing AI with AnyBiz is user-friendly and efficient, handling complex tasks so you can focus on strategy. Start your 7-day free trial today and see how our AI sales agents can transform your business. No commitment or credit card needed. If you found value in this, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to keep up with our future releases. Your support keeps us going strong.